my people? This is A-Rod A Millie, and bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. Hey, what are you doing, bro? You can't cut your own hair. You gotta let me do it. A-Rod A Millie, you know what I'm saying? No, not today. Not on my watch. You wanna change your look? I got you. But first, let me disinfect my tools. That in this case is the Wall Pro Magic Clip. Combining the power of a V9000 electromagnetic motor and a surgical blade, it cuts through those hairs like butter. Look at that. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload a haircut video, a product demonstration, or a product review. So stay tuned. This is A-Rod A Millie. Claro que sí. Gracias a todo el mundo que está viendo el video. Si eres mi suscriptor, 1,000,000 de gracias. Si no eres mi suscriptor y te gusta lo que estás viendo, dale like, dale suscribirte y a la campanita para que te lleguen notificaciones cada vez que suba un video de un corte o de un producto. Así que no te lo pierdas. Yes, sir. As of right now, I did a buzz cut with a number 3 guard, and after that I bleached the hair, and now I'm getting to do the color. So stay tuned, check it out. Alright people, down in the comments let me know what color you want me to do next and what haircut you want me to do next. I'll be reading. Oh, look at that combination of colors. It looks so good. I like it. I like it a lot. And here we are with the hair color. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's get it dry. Let's get to fading. To create the first guideline, I had to go with the 5-star Wall Pro Balding that gets so close to the skin that we call it razor close. If you're interested in any of the tools or products used in this video, make sure you go down below in the bio section and see all the links that I'm gonna leave there just for you, alright? If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. I'll be reading them and answering. And now I'll be using the level 3 shaving gel that dispenses as a clear formula on those areas for a better, smoother, and more visible shave. Like in that design right there, I get to see everything I do and I give a better shave. I'ma hit him with that level 3 styling powder for that no shine volume. Next, I'm gonna be using the level 3 favorite, the forming cream. That's gonna make the color pop and it's gonna provide a spike hold. Look at that. Unfortunately, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you're not subscribed and you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I appreciate it. Look at this haircut with color. I saved the day one more time. This is A-Rod A Millie. I love you guys. I'm out.